Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing on PC. And in this video, I will show you on how to extract audio from your video file in CapCut PC. How do you do that? First thing first, go ahead and make sure you make the video active from the timeline right here. Next thing you want to do is to right click on it. Having right click on it, go ahead and make sure you look for extract audio. Like so, now you have your audio being extracted from your video file right here. Now, from this particular point right here, you can decide to delete audio, or better still, you can decide to increase the audio volume. Then, for you to reduce it, for you to increase the audio volume, go ahead and navigate to the tab right here, and then drag. The more you drag, the more the audio volume is going to be seen right here in CapCut video editing software. That's it. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you